Hi guys, welcome back to YouTube channel, our Deeksha Karnataka YouTube channel. I am your Nirmal sir. Today we have come with our KCET 2023 Chemistry key solutions and analysis of the paper. Guys, we have been doing mock tests 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep on the previous month we were doing, and I'm happy to announce that almost 8 to 10 questions have been repeated from the mock test. The same type of questions has been repeated, and let us see the analysis of the paper. Before that, kindly like, share and subscribe our Deeksha Karnataka YouTube channel. I am your Nirmal sir. Let's get into this KCET 2023 Chemistry answer key matte solution antu nodada, which was held on 21st May 2023. Guys, ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ 2023 ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೌ ಈಸಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಪೇಪರ್. ದ ಪೇಪರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರೇಟ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಮಾಡ್ರೇಟ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ಗಿಂತ ಒಂದು ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕಂತೂ ಇತ್ತು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರೇಟಿವ್ಲಿ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ JEE ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಲೆಂತಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ paper was moderately average. And how many questions were easy and how many difficult ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋದ? Easy questions 30 questions were almost easy, like the 50% of the paper questions were almost easy ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದೇ ತರ moderate ಆಗಿ 20 questions ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. And coming back to ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ, like 40% you have got 20 questions which is easy and another 10% was of your difficult type of question. Okay, how much an average students can score is nothing but average students can expect between 20 to 25 marks for the KCET 2023 paper. Average student ಕೂಡ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ 20 to 25 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, ಯಾರು ಓದಿರಲ್ಲ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿರೋರಿಗೆ 20 to 25 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ವರ್ ದೇರ್ ಎನಿ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್? ನೋ ಗೈಸ್, KCET ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಫಾಲೋಸ್ ದ NCERT ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಹೌ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಪೇಪರ್ ಇನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್? ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಗಿಂತ ದಿಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. It was difficult as we have solved all the previous year's questions. This year paper was difficult and questions were lengthy, and questions lengthy ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಬಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ಹಿಡಿತು, ಬಟ್ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಟೈಮ್. ವರ್ ದೇರ್ ಎನಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್? Yes, 2 questions and 1 question the question is wrong, for the question the options are wrong. Okay, so the 2 questions you might be getting the grace mark as well. Do you think there is a change in pattern which checked in the comparison with the last year's paper? Is there any? There is no change in the pattern, guys. ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಅದೇ ತರ ಬಂದಿದೆ. more number of question is calculated oriented tricky questions have been asked this year. ತುಂಬಾ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. and the questions has been asked similar to the exemplar questions ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಿಸಲೇನಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ನಾನು ಅವತ್ತೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಯಾವತ್ತೇ ಇದ್ರು KCET ಟೀಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪ್ಲರ್ಸ್ ಬುಕ್ನ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಮಿಸಲೇನಿಯಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಎವ್ರಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ NCERT ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಅದಂತೂ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಐ ಗೆಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ NCERT ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಅನ್ಸಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಅದರ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್, ಬೇರೆ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೂ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಡು ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಹೈಯರ್? ಎಸ್ ಗೈಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಯರ್ comparative to the last year, this year it was more difficult, and there some of the questions were of JEE main types of standards. JEE main ತರ standards type of questions ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದೇ ತರ let us solve question number 1 in the 60 ತನಕ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದ. and guys, remember, in the last minute of the video I'll give you a surprise. Let us check. Okay, so kindly stay tuned in the last video. Guys, question number 1, what it says: in which one of the following reactions rate constant has the unit that is mole per liter per second? Guys, this unit mole per liter per second is nothing but your zero order reaction ಆಗಿರತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು zero order reaction ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋದು. this is second order, this is first order. acid catalyze hydrolysis, this is also first order. Then coming back to option C, guys, decomposition of hydrogen iodide on the gold. So question number 1 ಗೆ option C will be your correct answer. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅದೇ ಥರ for a reaction the value of rate constant at 300 Kelvin is 6.0 into 10 to the power of 5 per second. The value of Arrhenius factors at A at infinite high temperature is ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಎ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದ data to be calculated at A at the infinite high temperature is for the given data it cannot be determined. Then guys, this question has the question is wrong, then question number 2 you might get grace marks. Question number 2 ಗೆ grace marks ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂವರೆಗೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಡಾಟಾ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ವಿತ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3 ಏನಂತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ನೋಡೋದ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೇಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ K1 and K2 ಫಾರ್ ದ two different reaction is 10 to the power of 16 into e to the power of 2000 divided by t and 10 to the power of 15 into e to the power of 1000 t. ಏನಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ the temperature at which K1 is equals to K2. So let us K1 and K2 ನ ನಾವು ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ. So K1 is equals to K2. So K1 is equals to 10 to the power of 16 into e to the power of 2000 by t is equals to K to the power of 15 into e to the power of 1000 t. ಇದೆರಡನ್ನ ನಾವು ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 10 into e to the power of ಇದೆರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. The 2000 divided by t is equals to e to the power of 1000 divided by t. Where by taking ln we know that what do we get? 10 into e to the power of is ln is nothing but your ln 10 is equals to ln 10 minus 2000 divided by t. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅದೇ ಥರ that is equals to that is nothing but your minus 1000 divided by t. So if I take ln into log convert ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2.303 into log 10 ಆಗತ್ತಾ? Then is equals to, if I minus this I'll send this side, so it is 2000 1 by t of 2000 minus 1000 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 2000 minus 1000, if it is there 2000 minus 1000, what do you get? That is equals to 2.303 into log 10 is equals to 1000 divided by t. So t is equals to 1000 divided by 2.303 into Kelvin into K. So that is option B will be your right answer. Option number 3 ಗೆ, that is question number 3 ಗೆ option B will be your right answer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಈಸಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ದಟ್ K1 is equals to K2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂದ ಲಾಗ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಶೋ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಶೋ K1 is equals to K2 ಅಂತ ನಾವು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. So coming back to question number 4, what does it say? During electrolysis, brine, guys, what is brine? Is nothing but salt plus water. Salt plus water is nothing but your brine solution. By this we can see that NaCl contains chlorine, right? So chlorine will be liberated at the anode. So option C will be your correct answer. For a question number 4, option C will be your correct answer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಅದೇ ತರ question number 5 ನೋಡೋದ. What does the question number 5 says? Question number 5 is very simple, guys. If you understand the electrochemistry formula, E naught of the cell ಏನಾದರೂ ಈ ಸೆಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಾದರೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಈಸಿ, ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. ಲೆಟ್ us check. Consider the 4 electrodes, that is A, B, C and D. The reduction potential in the volts of the electrode in the order. If we know that E is equals to E naught of the cell is equal minus of 0.0591 divided by T divided by here M into plus log of M into plus. As concentration Mn plus increases, E cell also will increase, right? We know. So which is the more concentration here? That is 0.1. B is more. then B is being more, ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಲೆಸ್ ಯಾವುದಾಗಿದೆ? So we get 0.01 molar, that is C. ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಲೆಸ್ ಯಾವುದಾಗಿದೆ? D. Then after D it is A. So option where it is matching with option B, C, D, A, all are decreasing order, that is nothing but your option D will be your correct answer. Option number 5 ge, question number 5 ge, option D will be your correct answer. Clear? Now coming back to question number 6. The resistance of 0.1 molar of the weak acid in HA in a conductivity cell is, so resistance guys R in kotidare, that is 2 into 10 to the power of 3 ohm they have given. Okay, the cell constant of the cell, so cell constant that is CK, cell constant is equals to 3.9 into 10 to the power of minus 4, sorry guys, 3.3 into 10 to the power of minus 3 is there. Guys clear? Sorry guys, sorry, for the CK the value of this cell constant is 0.78 centimeter per centimeter. Sorry guys. Then coming back to, we know that delta naught M of an acid of HA is 390 Siemens centimeters per square per mole. The pH of the solution is what? So pH of the solution is what? Let us check. Okay guys, 1 second. So pH of the solution is, now let us go to this. So let us find out the constant, that is K is equals to CK by R. So let us divide this. If we divide this value, we'll get 3.9 into 10 to the power of minus 4 Simon per centimeter. If the K is in the Simon per centimeter, then the delta formula will be 1000 into K divided by C. So what is the K formula is here? 1000 into K is nothing but 3.9 into 10 to the power of minus 4 divided by C is nothing but here 0.1 molar. So 0.1 molar, if we do that, then the delta value will be 3.9. Then the delta value will be 3.9. Understood? Delta value will be 3.9. If the delta value is 3.9, what do we have to find out next is alpha. So we know that alpha is equals to delta C divided by delta naught. So let us see what is delta is nothing but here 3.9. So 3.9 divided by what they have given, it is 390. So 3.9 divided by 390 is nothing but here 0.01. Now concentration of H plus ion, we have to calculate the pH of the solution. So concentration of the H plus ion is alpha into C. So what is alpha is 0.01 into, so C will be what? Nothing but your concentration is 0.1. So here option will be 10 to the power of minus 3 molar. This is your concentration. Then the pH of the solution is equals to log of H of the concentration ion. So minus log of 10 to the power of minus 3 is nothing but your 3. Then your option, the pH of the solution is 3. Then the pH of the solution is nothing but your C. Question number 6 ge, option C will be your correct answer. Question number 7. Let us see what is question number 7 says. The reducing agent in the given equation is, guys, simple. I'll tell. We'll solve very simple. Guys, here Zn is in the 0. It becomes plus 2 oxidation state. Here it is in the minus 1, but now it has become plus 0. So here reducing agent is nothing but here Zn, 0 to plus 2 is Zn. Then the zinc being as an reducing agent. So option D will be your correct answer. Option D will be your correct answer. ಅದೇ ತರ question number 8 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ, for the formation of which compound in Elegham's diagram delta G. Guys, Elegham's diagram ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗ mock test ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, I used to say every time that Elegam diagram they will ask in your NEET as well as KCET. This question 100% they ask, and this year also they have asked. So as delta G naught becomes more and more negative with the increase in the temperature, guys, which will happen? So Elegum's diagram, temperature delta G naught idre, if it goes like this, so as the delta G naught becomes more and more negative with the increase in temperature, if I increase the temperature, the delta G naught becomes more and more negative. Then which of the organ? That is nothing but your option D, that is carbon monoxide. So option 8 ge correct answer is option D, that is carbon monoxide. Okay, next coming back to question number 9 and loader. Which one of the following compound does not give dinitrogen on heating? Guys, ammonium nitrite gives dinitrogen on heating, and ammonium chromate gives dinitrogen on heating, and barium azide, it gives dinitrogen on heating. Coming back to ammonium nitrate on heating, it gives nitrous acid plus H2O. So that is nothing but here N2O is given by the option B, that is ammonium nitrate. So option B will be your correct answer. Question number 9 again, option B will be your correct answer, that is ammonium nitrate. Next, question number 10, very simple. This is of the chapter of surface chemistry in the Kelide, tumba easy ide. Let us check. Aqueous solution of raw sugar when passed over a beds of animal charcoal, it becomes colorless. Pick the correct statement in the terminologies used in the above. So when a raw sugar is given over a bed, it gives a which type of salt? It gives positive salt. Positive salts kortire. Then let us check. Okay, aqueous solution of raw sugar when passed over the beds of animal charcoal, it becomes colorless. Then the adsorbate should be a coloring substance, which adsorbate is nothing but your coloring substance. Then the correct set terminologies can be used in the above example is. Let us check. So what can be used? See here guys, animal charcoal will be your adsorbent. We're gonna get adsorbent, and adhe tara adsorbate will be coloring substance. Adsorbate will be the coloring substance, and what is the process is here happening? That is adsorption. So your option B will be your correct answer. So your option B will be your correct answer. Question number 10 ge option B will be your correct answer. Clear? For a Friendly's adsorption isotherm, a graph of log x by m versus log p gives a straight line. The slope of line and y-axis of the intercept. Guys, this question they have asked third or fourth time, and with respect to this, when I was solving the surface chemistry of chapter in the mock test, this question have come 100%. Again the same question in a mock test have come. That is nothing but here guys, see here. So we know that log x by m is equals to log k, and it has plus 1 by n log p. Sorry, log p divided by 1 by n log k. Right. Now, what does this define? That is equals to straight line equation. Straight line equation idya. So this is your straight line equation. Then the adsorption it will be your nothing but your log k is the adsorption, and log x by m will be on the y-axis, and log p will be on the x-axis, and 1 by n, the slope will be equals to 1 by n. So slope is 1 by n and log k is an intercept. Thus the slope will be 1 by n of the line, and the y-axis of the intercept will be log k. So where it is a 1 by n into log k, that is nothing but here option A, 1 by n log k will be your answer for a question number 11. Option A will be your correct answer. When FeCl3 is added to the excess of hot water, gives a salt S. FeCl3 enadru hot water hakadre, what do you get? We get an hydrate, that is Fe2O3 dot X of H2O, that is hydrate. With that Fe3 plus ion is liberated, that is we are getting positive salt. When FeCl3 is added to NaOH, that is OH minus, then it gives negative salt. So what happens here? Fe2O3 plus X of hydrate molecules, here we get OH minus ion, that is negative salt. X and Y formed on the above process is respectively is nothing but your option C. That is nothing but your option C, that is Fe2O3 dot X2 H2O and Fe3 plus and Fe2O3 plus XH2O, that is OH minus, that is positive soul and negative soul. That is positive, then it is negative soul. Then your option, question number 12, option C will be your correct answer. Now coming back to question number 13, in which of the following pairs both element does not have n minus 1 d to the power of 10 d10 ns2 configuration in its eliminatory state? Guys, if this, when I see the option zinc, cadmium, mercury and coppers are there, guys, when I see this, I have to eliminate zinc, cadmium and mercury. Here it is zinc, sorry, here it is mercury, again zinc and cadmium. Guys, if I eliminate all the options, then this question carries grace marks. This question carries grace mark because options are not correct. Because options are not correct, this question carries the great marks, that is n minus 1 d10 andre. So I have to remove zinc, cadmium, mercury. I have to remove. In all the option, either of the zinc and the cadmium mercury is there, then I can eliminate all the options. Then this question will carry the grace marks. This question carries the grace marks. Question number 14, that is which one the following is correct with respect to the melting point of transition metal? We know that chromium has higher melting point than manganese, then it is option A will be your correct answer. 14th question ke option A, that is chromium has higher melting point than the manganese. Question number 15, guys, very simple, we can solve it very soon, not making it a little lengthy question. That is correct, A and Y are respectively, balance the chemical equation. If I write 8 molecules of MnO4 and here 3 molecules of sulfur, then again I have to write 8 molecules of MnO2 to balance and 6 molecules for the 6 moles of SO4 and Z will be 2. So and A and Y are nothing but here A and Y. So here A and here Y. So both are 8:6. Then option A will be your correct answer. That is for question number 15, option A, that is 8:6. Just balance the chemical equation. Just balance the chemical equation, you will get the answer. Coming back to which formula and name combination is incorrect. Let us check which is the incorrect. For first one, that is, guys, everyone can see, that is diamine, chlorido, nitrite 2 and N platinum 2. This is correct. So when I see this, this is correct. So I'll write it this in the green option. Then tetraamine, that is 4NH tetraamine, aqua chlorido, that is aqua and chlorido, cobalt 3. This is also correct. They are asking incorrect. Okay. Coming back to potassium trioxalate, that is potassium trioxalate, aluminate 3. This is also correct. Whereas coming back to option B, nodidre dichlorido diethyl diamine. So we can write dichlorido bis, then ethene 1,2 diamine should become cobalt, but the oxidation state is wrong here, it should be 3 chloride. Then option B is your incorrect statement, then it is correct answer is option B. For question number 16, option B is an incorrect. So here correct answer will be option B. Coming back to which of the following system is an octahedral complex has maximum unpaired of electron? Guys, it is very simple. Then it is option C, that is D to the power of 7 has the high spin, has the maximum unpaired electrons, where here it is T2G and E0 will be 0 and here it will be 5, 6, 7. Then it is here 3 unpaired electrons are there. 3 unpaired electrons. So D7 will be your correct answer. So question number 17 ge option C will be your correct answer. The correct decreasing order of the basicity of an hydrates of the group 15 elements. What are the group 15 elements? Are nothing but here nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic and bismuth, that is Sb. Okay, so see here As and Sb. Sorry, so here when I write the hydrates NH3, H3 and H3, so it decreases. We know that the hydrates of the group decreases down the group, andre, so it will be NH3 will be more, then it is PH3, then it is ASH3, then it is SbH3, then your option C will be your correct answer. Option C will be your correct answer. Coming back to question number 19, which one of the following oxo acid of phosphorus can reduce the silver nitrate to make a metallic silver? Very simple question. Guys, this is H4P2O7, that is pyrophosphoric acid. Then this is hypophosphoric acid. Then this is H3VO4 is nothing but your phosphoric acid. This is hypophosphorus acid. Then guys, which can reduce this to AgNO3 to metallic silver? That is nothing but your hypophosphoric acid, where it has pH bond, 2 pH bonds are there in this, so it can easily reduce this silver nitrate to the silver. Then your option D will be your correct answer. That is question number 19. Option D will be your correct answer. In solid state, PCl5 is an dash and dash. That is nothing but here it contains PCl4 minus and PCl6 plus. So here PCl4 minus and PCl4 plus 6 plus and minus. So let us see, that is option B will be your correct answer. So option B will be your correct answer for the question number 20. Option B will be your correct answer. Identify, guys. Now we have come to the organic part of the chemistry, where we can see only organic chemistry part questions. Identify A, B and C in the following sequence. Guys, this is ethyl bromide. When ethyl bromide reacts with KCN, that is, it forms what it can form? It can form ethyl cyanides. That is nothing but here CH3, CH2. A will be CH3, CH2, CN. That is ethyl cyanides. Let us check ethyl cyanide. Idu ethyl isocyanide ide. Idu option A anto agalla. So discard. So all the three options we have this. Okay, let us keep B, C and D as an option. This A. When ethyl cyanide reacts with lithium aluminum hydride, what it can form? We know that it can form when a cyanide can react with lithium aluminate to form a primary amine. So primary amine of this will be CH3, CH2, NH2. So that is what it will be, CH3, CH2 and CH2 and NH2. It will be nothing but here propanamine. Propanamine. So it is. So what do you see in the propanamine is nothing but here option D is the correct answer. So this both also gets eliminated. Then guys, if these both also get eliminated, the last will be, so this propanamine reacts with HNO2 in the presence of 0 degrees. It forms an alcohol, that is nothing but here primary alcohol, that is propanol. So propanol is here. Option D will be your correct answer for this option. Option D will be your correct answer. Clear? Question number 21 ge option D will be your correct answer. Again question number 22. This is the preparation of very good compound, that is nothing but your aldehyde, and this is pyridinium chloride. So that is PCC chlorochloride. So that is hybridization change is involved in C1 atom. Guys, first the C1 atom was here, it is CH2 and OH. It was a sp3. From here it has changed to double bond, that is C double bond OH, right? So it has double bond, then it is sp2. Then your option A will be your correct answer. Question number 22, okay? Option A will be your correct answer. Adhe tarah question number 23, if we see, if a didentate ligand ethene 1,2 diamine is progressively added in the molar solution of nickel 1:1, 2:1 and 3:1 to form nickel hexa-aqua ion solution, following coordination entities are, it gives pale blue, for this it gives 1:2, it gives blue and purple, and 3 it gives violet. Clear? This is the question. The wavelength in the NM of the light absorbed in the case of 1 and 3 are 1 and 3 are, that is pale and violet are absorbed in the nanometer of D. That is option D will be your correct answer. Question number 23 ge, option D will be your answer, that is 475 nanometer to 310 nanometer. Okay guys, sorry. Question number 24. Let us check with the question number 24. What does it say? Which of the following is an organometallic compound? Guys, very easy. That is Grignard's reagent. Yaud Grignard's reagent irutte? R MgX ali irbeku. This is R, this is Mg, and X is an halide. So option A will be your correct answer. Question number 24 ge, option A will be your correct answer. Question number 25. A pair of compounds having the same boiling points are. Guys, we know that enantiomer has same boiling points. Then here enantiomers are, option C will be, that is +2 butanol and minus butane 2 all. That is nothing but your option C will be your correct answer for a question number 25 ge. Option C will be your correct answer. Question number 26, very easy guys. In the reaction, phenyl cyanide reacts with SnCl2 and HCl. It forms, that is tin chloride and tin 2 chloride, that is an HCl. We know that here we can get an aldehyde. Aldehyde is formed. This is the famous reaction called as Stephen's reaction. Stephen reaction. So option CL enide. So option CL is Stephen reaction ide. Adhe tara, when an aldehyde undergo concentrated KOH, it forms alcohol plus carboxylic acid. It is reducing alcohol plus carboxylic acid. This kind of reaction, it is very famously known as Cannizzaro reaction. So here option C will be your, correct answer. So question number 26 ge, option C will be your correct answer. Option C will be your correct answer. Question number 27. Compounds PRR in the following reactions are. Let us check with the compounds PRR in the following, that is CH3CHO, that is methyl aldehydes reacts with RMgX, Grignard's reagent. What do you find? That is Grignard's reagent, it forms CH3, CH, CH3 and O. That is, what is this compound? That is propan 2-ol. When propan 2-ol reacts with the concentrated H2 dehydration process, it happens, it becomes propane. Again, when propane reacts with hydroboration method, hydroboration jote hogidre, what it forms? It forms a propanol. It forms propanol. Then water P and R. P and R are what? P is propan 2-ol and this is propanol. These are both are isomers to each other, having same molecular formula but different structural formula, where position of the functional groups are different. Then it is option D will be your correct answer. Question number 27, option D is your correct answer, that is positional isomerism. Guys, this reaction is very easy, direct question. In the NCERT textbook, their line is only given. Aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction because AlCl3 is being, it forms, when reacts with this, it gets the lone pair present in the ammonia, it reacts with ammonia to form a adduct, and it gives a precipitate is out which is insoluble. The precipitate is given out as insoluble. It forms a complex between this AlCl3 and aniline. Hence, aniline does not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. Question number 28, option B will be a correct answer. Coming back to on heating of phenyl methyl ether, that is phenyl methyl and ether, that is phenyl methyl and ether, that is phenyl methyl ether, this won't be there. On reacting with the HI, it produces an aromatic compound. It produces a phenol. On this, when phenols reacts with concentrated HNO3, that is nitration of the phenol, will give picric acid, NO2 and NO2 with OH. This is your picric acid. So it gives B. Then the A and B are nothing but first we have got A as phenol and B as in picric acid. That is option C will be your correct answer. That is phenol and picric acid. Question number 29 option C will be your correct answer. Coming back to question number 30, that phenols reacts with NaOH to form sodium phenate. It forms sodium phenate. Sodium phenate on reacting with carbon dioxide, it forms salicylic acid, that is OH and COOH. This salicylic acid reacting with, this is acetic anhydride, that is nothing but your acetic anhydride. This acetic anhydride undergo acetylation to form a major product as CH3 with COOH. Guys, this is acetylate salicylic acid haldehyde, that is salicylic acid, that is nothing but your aspirin. So option A will be your correct answer. The better reagent to oxidize the primary alcohols into aldehyde. Guys, now coming after the 31 questions in the ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು, 31 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈಸಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಈಸಿ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಗೈಸ್, ಇದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 22, ಇದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 22 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್. They have given the same answer. This is like, I can say, repeated question only. So the better reagent to oxidize the primary alcohols into aldehyde is nothing but your option D, that is PCC, that is pyridinium chlorochromate. Guys, this is like first preparation or second preparation in NCERT they have given for the aldehydes. Okay, it's a very simple question. So question number 31 option D will be your correct answer. Coming back to question number 32, guys, very easiest question they have asked. The correct order to match between the column X and column Y is vitamin A. Guys, we know that vitamin A is night blindness. So I is 3. So I is 3 is in first B option matte C options alide. And vitamin D, we know that it is in osteomalacia. So it is second is 4th and here second is 2. Then it is, this option is wrong. Then this is option C will be your correct answer. So vitamin E will be your muscular weakness and vitamin K will be your increase in the blood clotting time. Clear? Now coming back to question number 33, correct answer is option C will be your correct answer. Question number 33, in the reaction PQRR respectively, when aniline reacts with sodium nitrate, it forms diazonium salt. When diazonium salts reacts with dilute HCl and tetrafluoroboric acid, if it reacts with tetrafluoroboric acid, we find a diazonium salt of tetrafluoroborate. When this reacts with copper plus sodium nitrate, it forms nitrobenzene. It forms nitrobenzene. We know this. So in this NaNO2 is in the three options. Okay, let us see. So let us consider option C as wrong. Dilute HCl and BF4. So this is not there, this is not there, this is not there, and this is there. So option D will be your correct answer. Option D will be your correct answer. That is dilute HCl Cu plus NaNO2. So question number 33 ge option D will be your correct answer. Now coming back to thyroxine, guys, very simple question. Thyroxine produced in the thyroid gland is an iodinated derivative of is nothing but your thyrosin. Simple. So option number 30, question number 34 ge option B will be your correct answer. Adhe tara coming back to question number 35. Question number 35, what it says, that is sucrose is dextrorotatory means right side, but after hydrolysis the mixture shows levorotatory to the right, left side. Then it is because, guys, because of fructose, because levorotation of fructose is more than the dextrorotation of glucose. That is option, question number 35 option C will be your correct answer. Now coming back to question number 36. Coming back to question number 36, receptors are proteins and crucial to the body communication process is nothing but, guys, we have seen this, right? Like this. This a chemical entity comes there and sit. So this is nothing but your cell membrane. So this is your protein. So it forms as an proteins. Receptors are protein. Then it, option D is your correct answer. Question number 36, option D will be your correct answer. Coming back to question number 37, which of the following is monomers form biodegradable polymers? Which of the following forms a biodegradable polymers is nothing but your, guys, we know that biodegradable polymers is PHBV, right? That is nothing but your, it can be 3-hydroxybutanoic valproic acid or 3-hydroxypentanoic acid. So option C is your correct answer, guys. This is a direct question and they have asked from the last chapter of your chemistry, that is polymers. Guys, this is very easy. Okay, coming back to question number 38, guys, caprolactam, we know that it should be CH2 should be 5. So where is the CH2 is 5? That is one is option D. Vinyl chloride, we know that it should contain a Cl chloride, so it is 2 is C. Coming back to styrene, it should contain C6H5. Then styrene is 6 is H5 is nothing but your option, third option is B. Then coming back to propane is nothing but your A. So that is nothing but your 4 is A. DCBA. Guys, let us check the option DCAB. DCBA. So option C is your correct answer. Question number 38, yeah, option C will be your correct answer. Which of the one of the following is a non-narcotic analgesic? Guys, it should be not a narcotic and it should be an analgesic. So simple is codeine is a narcotic, morphine is a narcotic and heroin is also a narcotic. Coming back to aspirin, it acts as an analgesic agent which helps in the pain reducer. So it is option B will be a non-narcotic analgesic. So option B is in correct answer. Question number 39, yeah, option B will be a correct answer. Okay. Coming back to question number 40, which of the following statement is not correct? We know that the bond order of the O2 plus will be 2.5 and bond order of O2 2 minus will be 1. Then it is O2 2 minus 2 plus is 2.5 to 1. Then it is obviously option A is your option incorrect option. That is question number 40, option A is your incorrect statement. Option A will be your incorrect statement. Okay, it is because 2.5 is there, the sign should be this side. Okay, clear? The gas pressure of 2 atm is heated from 25 degrees to 322 degrees Celsius and simultaneously compressed to 2/3 of its original value. Then the final pressure is, guys, we can use P1 V1 by T1 is equals to P2 V2 by T2. If we use this, T2 will be 273 plus 323, that is 6, 7, 8, 9, 596 Kelvin P1 we know that is 2, V1 we don't know, P2 we know, and 2 by third of the volume. If we do this, we can easily get, that is option A. If you substitute the formula and we get, that is 6 atmospheric pressure, that is 6 atm. For question number 41, option A will be your correct answer. Question number 42, guys. We know that delta H is equals to lattice energy plus hydration energy. Lattice energy is nothing but a 788 plus of minus, that is 784. If we write like this, is nothing but is plus 4 kilojoules per mole you will get. That is nothing but your option A will be your correct answer. Question number 42, okay? Option A will be your correct answer. So at 500 Kelvin, for a reversible reaction, both reversible reaction in a closed container, guys think closed container, Kc is equals to 2 into 10 to the power of 5. In the presence of catalyst, the equilibrium attaining 10 times faster than the equilibrium constant of the Kc in the presence of catalyst and the same temperature. At the same temperature, everything is same, then catalyst has no impact on the reaction. Catalyst has no impact on the reaction. So there will be no change in the catalyst. For the equilibrium will not change. That is nothing but here 2 into 10 to the power of 5 remains same. Then option C will be your correct answer. 43, option C will be your correct answer. The weak acid of pKa 5.9 and weak base of pKa 5.8 are mixed in the equal proportion. Guys, pH is equals to 1 by 7 of pKa minus pKb formula enadru use madidre, you will get option C as your correct answer. Question number 44 ge, option C will be your correct answer. Okay, question number 45. Temperature of 25 degrees in the Fahrenheit and Kelvin scale represently. We know that it is 298 Kelvin in the Kelvin, 298.15 Kelvin. This both are there. So eliminate these options. That is both are there. 70 degree Fahrenheit it can't be. It is 25 degrees Celsius. Then it is 77 degree Fahrenheit plus and 298.15 Kelvin. So 45. Question number 45. Option D will be your correct answer. 46. The number of protons, neutrons and electrons in the ion. Guys, very easy questions they have asked. That is S is equals to 16. Then it is number of protons is 16. Number of neutron is 16. Electrons should be 16 plus 2 is nothing but it has 2 electrons extra. 16, 17 and 18. That is 18. So option A will be your correct answer. For question number 46, option A is your correct answer. Option A is your correct answer. Clear? Question number 47. The correct order of the first ionization enthalpy of the given element is, guys, we know that lithium, then it gives to boron, then it is beryllium, then it is carbon. So where it is there here, lithium should be there. These both are wrong. Then beryllium should not be boron, beryllium and then carbon. Then option D will be your correct answer. Option D will be your correct answer. Question number 47, option D is your correct answer. The composition of water gas, guys, very simple. That is carbon monoxide plus H2O. That is nothing but your option B. Question number 48, option B will be your correct answer. Question number 49. Let us consider this as CH3, 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 and let us mention the number as 1, 2, 3 and 4. If we mention this number as 1, 2, 3 and 4, 2, 3 dimethyl, 2, 3 dimethyl butene, 1 and 2. So butene. So here nothing but your option D will be your correct answer. Question number 49, option D will be your correct answer. Option D will be your correct answer. Among the following, which is aromatic, which is unaromatic, we'll say in the set of which is aromatic species. Guys, the same question has been repeated in the NEET as well as, and even in our mock test, I have solved this type of question. So let us check. So here, benzene, naphthalene, this can't be, and this is octa. There is a 8th member ring. So here 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4. That is nothing but your option C will be your correct answer. So question number 15, option C will be your correct answer. Which of the following gases converts hemoglobin into carboxyhemoglobin? Which of the following can convert hemoglobin into carboxyhemoglobin? That is nothing but here carbon monoxide. The direct answer, that is carbon monoxide. Option D will be your correct answer. Coming back to question number 52, what is the oxidation number of S in this? See here guys, plus 2 into X, then it is 6 into minus 2 is equals to 0. If we do this, we'll get your answer as plus 6. So here answer is plus 6. So for question number 52, option C will be your correct answer, that is plus 6. Clear? The plus 6 oxidation of sulfur is nothing but here plus 6. Question number 53 is nothing but the 30% of the solution of the hydrogen peroxide. Guys, same question has been repeated in the mock test. Mock test naval ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅದು same question ಇಲ್ಲೂ repeat ಆಗಿದೆ. So guys, here that is nothing but here option C will be your correct answer, that is 100 volume hydrogen peroxide. So question number 53 ge option C will be your correct answer. The same question been repeated in the mock test also. See sir, see now the mock test paper which you have done, that is very important for your CET. Question number 54, a pair of amphoteric oxides are nothing but here beryllium monoxide and zinc oxide, that is zinc monoxide, that is option C. Question number 54 ge option C will be your correct answer. Dimerization of a solute molecules is low dielectric constant solvent is due to. Guys, why it is dielectric constants are due to low? Because of hydrogen bond. This is a direct statement. So question number 55 ge option D will be your correct answer. The swelling feet of ankles of an aged person due to sitting continuously for a long hours during travel. This is reduced by soaking a feet in the warm of salt water. Because what does it happen? Because of osmosis, higher concentration to the lower concentration, that is nothing but here option A, that is for 56 question number option A will be a correct answer. 57 guys, in this the sample of water contains 5.85% of weight by weight of AB, molecular mass is 58.5. 9.50% of weight by YX2 molecular mass. Assuming that the 80% of the ionization of AB agide and 60% of ionization of X2 has done. Then the freezing point, guys, here freezing point of the water sample is given, that is KF. Guys, here you have to use delta TF formula use ಮಾಡಿ. After finding delta TF, then use freezing point formula. Freezing point formula use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get your option D as your correct answer. Therefore question number 57 option D will be your correct answer. Question number 58, very easy guys. Match the following column type of crystalline solid with the column B for the each of the example type. Molecular solid will be nothing but here P is 3. Next, ionic solid is nothing but here MgO, that is Q is equals to 4. Okay, next we have metallic solid is Mg, that is R is equals to 2. Then last we have network solid is silicon and carbon, that is nothing but your network solid. So S will be 1. 3 4 2 1. 3 4 2 1. Let us check which is 3 4 2 1. 3 4 2 1, that is option C will be your correct answer. For question number 58, option C will be your correct answer. A metal crystallizes in a body centered cubic lattice with the metallic radius. Guys, we know that is A is equals to 4, R is equals to root 3. So A is equals to A is equals to 4 divided by root 3 R square ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. If you find out this answer, then your answer will be 6.4 into 10 to the power of cube. Sorry, there is 6.4 into 10 to the power of minus 29. So option B will be your correct answer. So question number 59 ge option B will be your correct answer. So we have come to the last question. If A stands for the edge length of the cubic system, so cubic system is nothing but 1 by 2, then the ratio of simple cubic, body centric cubic and face centric cubic will be 1 by 2, and coming back to body centric cubic root 3 by 4, and face centric cubic 1 by root 2, 2 into root 2. So where it is 1 by root 2 into root 2 is nothing but is only in the option A. So option A will be your correct answer. Question number 60 option A will be your correct answer. Guys, thank you so much. Guys, thank you so much for joining this Deeksha Karnataka KCET Chemistry Solutions of 2023 1 to 60 I have solved. So guys, still now the point is, like as I have told you in the beginning of the video, there is a huge surprise for you. The surprise is nothing but you can download the solution PDF in the description box. I have mentioned the link in the description box. Kindly go there and click that you can download the PDF of the solutions for this KCET Chemistry 2023 as well. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining, and I hope all the questions have been solved very properly. If anything is right, please comment down so I'll help you to clarify the doubts. Thank you guys. Thank you once again. Please do follow our Deeksha Karnataka YouTube channel. Like, share and subscribe. If you find my video is useful, please help your students to also help all your mates and the other students also to get this solution videos as well. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining for the chemistry analysis and solutions of KCET 2023. Here your Nirmal sir signs off. Mansindanu Nirmal, Matinindanu Nirmal. Bye guys, take care.